Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside. Place a cloth or folded paper towels onto the windscreen to protect the glass as you place the arm down. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off but in reverse. You will hear a click when the stud slots into place. Lift up the arm of the windshield wiper. Position your right hand on the arm to hold it in a raised position. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Position the new wiper so that the small fixing bar is located in the front of the hollow used to house the wiper. Once again, holding onto the arm of the windshield wiper, apply pressure towards you to reclip the new rubber wiper. Operation completed.